It's important for us. I think we are mark a chapter in our bilateral agreement between Ecuador and Serbia. I think Ecuador is ready to be and to support and to have some of our products in Serbia that is already coming around the European Union. But we will be talking about to participate in this event because we think it's important for us. It's important for the Ecuador also to improve on the vision of our government right now, as the President Daniel Noboa, is to open the arms for all the different countries around the world. So Serbia is important also for us and for all the products, and also for import also products to bring it to our country. We already participate in a lot of different expositions and fairs around the world. Have been in Europe in some of the important fairs in the world, and it will be the first time for us to be in Belgrade here. But I think we are very excited to be here. So I think it's going to be really interesting for our country to be. And I would say to all the Belgrade and all the citizens that come to Ecuador, that Ecuador wait for you with the open arms. And I think we have a lot of things, it's a beautiful country. Ecuador have 4 different spaces in one country. We expect with the tourism, we have the Galapagos, we have a lot of beaches and mountains and everything. So I think we'll be the other side of Serbia, but with a lot of beautiful things that could be together. I think you have been full of integrants and participate and delegate for all the world. I'm very impressive how many people have been arriving for all and have you concrete. The other things that I really like it is the way you have been the organization. It's really planificated. So it's amazing how you are doing all this effort for doing a really, really good expo. Belgrade in 2027.